Hello, welcome to another exciting series. In today's series, we would be solving a practical substitution into formula question in mathematics, right? So this is series 11. So let's quickly delve into it. So the question of the day is find the value of n in the given equation if m equals 2 and o equals 1, right? So our given equation is n equals to the fraction 35 m o over m minus o, right? So n equals the fraction 35 multiplying m multiplying o over m minus o, right? So based on the preamble of the question, our equation is giving us n equals the fraction 35 multiplying m multiplying o over m minus o, right? So we are going to insert our values into the given equation. So we are given m to be 2 and o to be 1. So inserting our values into the equation, we are going to have n equals the fraction 35 multiplying 2 multiplying 1 over 2 minus 1, right? So let's quickly break down the equation, right? So 2 multiplying 1, okay, 2 multiplying 1, 2 times 1 is 2, right? So we are going to have our n to be the fraction 35 multiplying 2 over 1 because 2 minus 1 is 1, right? So to proceed further, we are going to have our n to be 35 multiplying 2 is 70, right? So our n is going to be the fraction 70 over 1, right? So any number, right? Any number divided by 1 is that number itself, right? So any number divided by 1 is that number. Okay, so based on that rule, we are going to have our n to be the fraction 70 over n to be 70. So therefore, our n is 70. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Kindly do well to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.